All right, so we got a package from the boys from LOWGLOW. It's crazy because I'm actually going to visit them in person this weekend, April 5th, because they are having an open house. So I've been talking about it a lot in the previous videos, but yes, I'm gonna be taking the FRS up to Arizona. We're gonna be driving from San Diego all the way to Arizona, which is like about a 5-hour drive. And we're attending the LOWGLOW open house meet. So they're gonna do a whole open house at their warehouse. And it's like crazy timing because they literally just sent me a kit for the STI. So shout out to Jordan, bro. Thank you so freaking much. But let's go ahead and unbox this. We got a whole bunch of goodies from LOWGLOW. Pretty much the best underglow kit you can buy. We actually have a kit on the BRZ over there, but this kit is gonna be for the 2020 STI. Straight out of the box, we got the LOWGLOW kit, and this is actually something else. This is extra. I'll go into more depth later on what this is, but here is the LOWGLOW kit. Nice and protected in bubble wrap. Appreciate you, Jordan. But let's go and take this off. Check out the packaging though. Super fire. They're always like switching up the boxes in the packaging, which is so cool. First look inside. Damn, check it out. Damn, they hella hooked it up with a whole bunch of stickers. LOWGLOW is known for this, but they got some Scooby snacks inside. I'm about to eat these. We got the front kit. As you can see, everything is pretty much labeled, every single bag, so nothing is confusing here. We got the strips for the front, or the front bumper. Got 2 sets for the side skirts. As you can see, it's labeled side, and then for the rear section of the car. So on the back, as you can see, it has like pretty much the length of the strips. Like, so the rear, in my case, the STI, 50 centimeters. For the side skirts, it is 180 centimeters. And then for the front bumper, it is 110. So if you guys want these exact specs, those are the dimensions of running. Got a bag full of wiring to connect everything. Zip ties. These are mounting tabs for anywhere really on the car. So you can mount these anywhere. It's like 3M tape with a little hole. So you can like stick it onto like the body of the car and then put a zip tie through it, and it pretty much makes all the wiring neat. You can like secure it to these tabs. More wiring. I believe this is the wiring for the battery. So this goes to the battery to power everything. And then this is the switch or the controller to turn the kit on or off. All right, so this may look like a lot right here on camera, but good thing is it comes with installation instructions. So it's super user friendly, literally step by step. Everything you need to know to install your LOWGLOW kit. That's the cool thing about LOWGLOW. They're super user friendly and very helpful. So comes with instructions, and also you can hit them up through email, or you can hit them up through their Instagram. Tell them your year, make, and model on your car, and they'll literally reply with the correct size strips that you need. So literally, if you have like any question whatsoever about what sizing you need, any like replacements you need, like say you break one, you can hit them up for a replacement, whatever the case may be. Like it says right here, hit them up through email or their Instagram at LOWGLOW Shop. So I want to show you guys what the BRZ looks. So I have the BRZ over there with the LOWGLOW kit on. I'm gonna pull it up over here in this like little area, and I'll show you guys what it looks like at night because it looks so freaking cool. Kind of will give you a taste of what the STI is gonna look like soon. All right, so we pulled up the BRZ. Gosh, this thing looks so freaking good in this lighting. It comes with this switch right here. So as you can see, red, obviously it's off. We'll go and turn it on at night. Dude, the purple looks crazy. So once you're in the app, you pretty much have this wheel right here, so you can control whatever color you want, you know, flip through the color wheel. So yeah, you can do a solid color, or you can go to the top right here. As you can see, mode 200. So there's 200 different modes you can flip through. Just go ahead and click this arrow, all the different modes that you can run. But that's not it, guys. You can change the speed with this arrow. So we can like slow it down, speed it up, so it's much faster. And last but not least, we got brightness at the bottom. So if it's too bright for you, go ahead and dim it or make it brighter. I usually like rocking the same color as the wrap. I feel like it's such a vibe, especially for pictures. As you guys saw, it's super straightforward, very user friendly. But yeah, here's a little taste of, you know, the LOWGLOW kit on the BRZ and what it'll kind of look like before we throw it on the STI right here. All right, we got the STI back in the garage. Got to get this thing up on jack stand, so we'll get that taken care of in 3, 2, 1. And just like that, The STI is in the air. I actually forgot my cleaning stuff at home, so I have nothing to clean the bottom of the car right now. So I think we're gonna have to wait until tomorrow to mount all the strips on the car. Tomorrow we're gonna go ahead and continue this when it's daylight. Plus we'll get to see much better. All right guys, it is the next day. Right here I got some isopropyl alcohol. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean pretty much every part that we're gonna be sticking the strips on. We wanna get it as clean as possible. So I got a little microfiber. Like I said, I got some alcohol. Literally the most important part. If you don't clean it properly, the strips are probably gonna fall off and it's just not gonna stick as good. So before we move any further with mounting the strips, we should double check if they work. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug this into the battery. Then we'll kind of like lay out all the strips on the floor and connect them all. First, take out the controller, pretty much the brains of this whole system. And it comes with a screwdriver too. So we got the main wire that goes to the battery right here. Plug this into the Bluetooth controller, so it's pretty self-explanatory. White for ground, which is the black one. Put that in there. On the back side, we can go ahead and tighten it. And then red goes to power, obviously. Now on the other end, there is white, yellow, red. All right guys, good to go. All right, so this is essentially the layout. So I'm trying to make it as simple as possible for you guys. But yeah, here's the switch. This will be inside of the car. And then this power and ground goes to the battery. So this is the whole front section of the car. Goes to the controller. And then that controller splits into a Y. And that goes to the two front strips. So one goes this way, one goes that way. If you look super closely to the strip right there, that little arrow right here pretty much tells you which direction the mode is gonna go. So all the arrows should be facing towards the back of the car. But yeah, it's pretty, I mean, it's as simple as that. I'm gonna test it first. I'm gonna hook it up to the battery right now and all these strips should turn on. So let's go and do that right now. Oh shoot. Check it out. That's so cool. So just double checking, you know, that everything works fine. Pretty cool how it just all starts right here in the middle and it just flows to the side. But yeah, now that we confirmed that everything works, now we can officially mount it to the car. Also, this is a switch. The click of a button. Pretty cool. Got to figure out a spot. Honestly, I'm most likely, oh, that's like a perfect spot. Right here, there's like a little empty slot. So I think I'm gonna just stick it right here and that should be good. I kind of like peeled down the fender liner. And as you can see right here, this is a rubber grommet. And it's pretty much where I routed all my air lines for my air suspension. So I'm actually gonna force this end for the switch through that firewall. If we go inside, it'll come out through the bottom over here. All right, so this is the wire right here, and off camera, I forced it. I don't know how, but I kind of like used a little knife to make the slit bigger, and it's hard to see, but I pushed it through the grommet. We'll go ahead and plug it in like so. And then now we have officially a switch inside of the car. As far as wiring up to the battery, it's pretty much all finished. I'll kind of briefly show you guys right now what I did. So this was like that little, I guess it's like a relay thing. So this obviously goes to the battery. So we got the positive, negative is hooked up right here. So yeah, you pretty much just zip tie it to whatever spot you feel like is loose. We got it routed through the middle. And this goes down to the box. So I actually 3M taped the box to the intake box. And the other end of the wire goes down right here under the car. That goes to the little Y, and this goes to the two strips on the front. So I'll probably zip tie it to some of the mounts over here just to get it out of the way. Just for video purposes, I actually removed my side skirt because it's kind of dark under there, so I can give you guys a better idea of where I mounted the strips. I do have aftermarket side skirts, so it's a little bit like, there's like waves in the side skirt, but it shouldn't show when the lights are on. Cool thing is, this stuff is really good because they actually use authentic 3M tape. So this stuff is super sticky, but there is one last step though. After you stick on the strip, it is recommended to post heat it. So we're gonna need this. So it's a heat gun. Now we heat it up once it's warm to the touch, and then we'll go ahead and press down on it to unlock it. Show it. currently connecting the front strip to the middle side skirt one. So I got the wiring here, I got it routed, pretty much zip tied it to the harness above the frame. It goes across, same thing right there, zip tie right here. It'll all be hidden because this fender liner will go back up in its place. Real quick, I wanted to show you guys the freaking quality in the connectors. So it's not just, you know, plug it in and there you go. If you look closely, there's a little seal right here. So it's like an O-ring. So pretty much connect it. There's this piece pretty much locks it in place. So it threads over. And with the O-ring, it's fully waterproof. I just thought that was sick. When I was installing it on the BRZ the first time, these connectors are so high quality. So if you ever have to, in the event, like replace it, like say you scrape it and it breaks, you don't have to buy like a complete kit. You can literally just buy the replacement strip right here, just unscrew it, screw the new one back on, and that's pretty much it. It's gonna look funny because it's still in the air, but let's go ahead and hit the switch. Oh my gosh, that is so bright. Once it's on the ground, it's gonna look much better, but guys, check it out. Damn, check it out, guys. That looks so freaking cool. There's actually one more thing before we finish off this install. This is actually extra, but I highly recommend it, guys, if you want the kit to look that much better. So I actually have this on the BRZ. Now this is a rubber trim that will actually hide the LEDs. Say for example like this. You can see the LED strip right here. For pictures and videos, that's no good. You know, you're gonna be able to see that like solid line across. This actually goes in front of the strip. So we're gonna mount it in front of the strip. So when you look at the car head on, you're not gonna see the LED strip because this is gonna be blocking it. Guys, check it out. Yo, this looks insane. Parked up with the BRZ. Dude, we got two cars with LOWGLOW on it. It's so good together. The time you guys are watching this right now, I actually just got back from Arizona last night. So I'm very behind on editing, posting up these videos for you guys. So we got so much content coming. We got 2 to 3 videos of Arizona content coming soon on the channel right after this. We had such a fun time with the boys over from LOWGLOW. We just did a lot of filming over there, so I'm so excited to show you guys the next upcoming videos on this channel. But yeah, the time I'm filming this, I just got back from Arizona, so I'm pretty behind on posting. But anyways, I wanted to wait until sunset when I got back from Arizona to show you guys pretty much the best time, or when LOWGLOW really shines, is during like sunset hours. The kit looks so good. There definitely is a lot of controversy with Underglow, you know, if it's rice, and also since there's so many like Underglow companies out there that make super cheap kits that just don't last and look good. One thing you can definitely get from LOWGLOW is like the quality and also how good it looks. Like check it out, like it literally fills up the entire front bumper, you know, the side skirts. Walk over to the BRZ, the entire underside of the car is full of LED lights, and that's what makes it look good. I feel like with a lot of cheap Underglow kits out there, it's just like you just see them on the road on like random cars, like it'll just be like a section that's lit up and it just looks so off and awkward. But with LOWGLOW, they literally make Underglow look so good and high quality. Do you guys think Underglow is coming back? Let me know down in the comment section below. It's definitely been a hit on Instagram and TikTok and everything. Definitely feel like it's back. It looks so good though. Check it out. I feel like now that we have LOWGLOW, we definitely gotta put some camber on this car. I feel like Underglow, you just have to run like crazy, well not crazy, but a good amount of camber just to kind of make it look top tier. But yeah, if you guys have been wanting a LOWGLOW kit for a while now, because they do sell out very, very fast. Literally, typically on their drops, they sell out like, I want to say by minutes. It's so freaking quick. But if you guys have been wanting a kit for your car, it's actually perfect timing because this Friday they are doing a very limited drop on LOWGLOW kits. This Friday, April 12th, 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time or 9 p.m. Eastern Time, they are doing, like I said, a limited drop on LOWGLOW kits. So now is your chance if you guys have been wanting a kit for your car. They're actually doing free shipping as well. So now's the chance. Like I said, this Friday, I'll go and put it right here on the screen. They're such cool guys. Like I said, we just kicked it the whole weekend with them. And they're just overall good vibes, great company. But what do you guys think looks better? You guys think the STI looks better or the 2022 BRZ? It's a hard choice, honestly. I don't know. I feel like if we had camber for the STI, it would definitely look much better. So I think for now, the BRZ, I feel like it's a vibe, especially with the purple wrap. But yeah, guys, I gotta catch up on a ton of editing. I got like 3 videos to edit for you guys. Like I said, we've been in Arizona this whole past weekend. And I also gotta finish your merch orders. So if you guys ordered from the recent merch drop, I appreciate it so freaking much. You guys killed it, literally sold out. I think everything on the, there might be a few XLs in the cream shirts, but you guys literally pretty much sold out of everything on the website. So I'm so freaking thankful for you guys. Thank you so much. I'm gonna be grinding this week, you know, pumping out some videos, getting that merch out to you guys. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Yeah, I got everything ready right here at the shop. Got my computer. Appreciate it so much if you stuck this far in the video. I'm gonna get to work. And yeah, that being said, hope you all have a good one today. Make it a good one. And I'll catch y'all later. Peace.